Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 69. Najunge. Najunge. The word najunge is considered an adverb of time, which means later. So it is used to indicate that you'll be doing something later. The word najunge could be divided into 3 syllables. Najunge. Na is formed from the combination of the sounds of nian and a. Jung is formed from the combination of the sounds of chiat, u, and iyang, while e is just the sound of e itself with a placeholder iyang at the first position of the syllable. Najunge. And with that, you've just learned Najunge. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 59 to 68. But don't forget our word for today. Word number 69 is najunge. This is an adverb of time, which means later. Word number 68 is koda. This is a root verb, which means to walk. Word number 67 is araso, and this is an informal way of saying, I understand. Word number 66 is alda. This is another root verb which means to know or understand. Word number 65 is kwenchan sumnida. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Word number 54 is kwenchana, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Word number 63 is usta. This is another root verb which means to smile or laugh. Word number 62 is masida. This is another root verb which means to drink. Word number 61 is mokta. This is another root verb which means to eat. Word number 60 is kabshida, and this is a formal way of saying let's go. And word number 59 is gacha, and this is an informal way of saying let's go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.